solving simultaneous equations. So in simultaneous equations or simultaneous linear quadratic equations, we have generally three solutions. When the curve does not coincide, there is no point intersection between a line and a curve, there must be a no solution. If there is only one intersection point, then there will be a one solution. So in case of two intersection points, there must be a two solutions. So the basic of the linear quadratic equations depends on the curve and the line intersection. If it intersects at 2 points, there must be two solutions. If it intersects at 1 point, there must be a one solution. And if there is no intersection, no solution will be there. So this is general. Now, solving simultaneous equation. So one linear and one quadratic. Okay. So for example, in this case, this is my coordinate axis. This is my x-axis. And this is my y-axis. Okay. After doing this, there is a parabolic curve that meets a line at 2 points. So 2 points mean there must be this point and this point. There must be a solution there must be two solutions. Okay. So the diagram shows the figure. The graph is basically this. The curve value is y equals to x square minus 4, and the value of line is y equals to, or the equation of line is 2x minus 1. The points are 3, 5. This point is 3 and 5. And this point is minus 1, minus 3. Minus 1, minus 3. So to follow this x equals to minus 1 in this case, and y equals to minus 3. And in this case, x equals to 3 and y equals to 5. Okay. Now the solution begins. So we have two general values of this equation, that is y equals to x square minus 4 and y equals to 2x minus 1. So rearrange it. So as we know that y equals to x squared minus 4. This is my equation 1. And the equation 2 is y equals to 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1. Now compare both equations. Equation 1 and 2, there must be x squared minus 4 equals to 2x minus 1. So rearrange it. X squared minus 4 minus 2x and plus 1 equals to 0. So the equation is x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Okay. Now midterm breaking. So x squared minus 3x plus x minus 3 equals to 0. So x will be x into x minus 3 plus 1 x minus 3. So x minus 3 and x plus 3, x plus 1 is the x minus 3 and x plus 1 are the factors of this equation. This shows that x equals to 3 and y second is x equals to minus 1. Substituting x equals to minus 1 in equation 2. So we got the value. Substituting x equals to minus 1 or minus, so y equals to 2 into minus 1 minus 1 So this must be -3. And x equals to, putting also x equals to 3. So 2, 3 minus 1. So it must be 6 minus 1 equals to 5. So by putting the value x equals to -1, the value of y is -3. And by putting x equals to 3, we computed the value of y equals to 5. So these are the two values. X equals to, this is the generally is the proof that the uh, standard values, or the two two values, that is two values in this curve is this one, this value is a, this point is a, and this point is b. The value of a and b must have x and y. So we have to find first x1 and x2. This is x1 and x2. Then from x1 and x2 we find that y1 and y2 values. So this is this is the general values to draw the graph of an intersecting quadratic equation with a linear graph. Okay, now moving towards the question of the exercise. So worked example, solve the simultaneous equation, this one, 2x plus 1, sorry, 2x plus 2y equals to 7, and second case is x square minus 4y square equals to 8. So first, finding the value of x from this equation. So 2x equals to 7 minus 2y, and then x equals to 7 minus 2y by 2 whole divided by 2. Putting the value of x in this equation. So x must be 7 minus 2y whole divided by 2 whole square minus 4y square equals to 8. Now it must be 4. 7 square is 49. Now 49 plus 4y square minus 2ab must be minus 28y, and minus 4y square equals to 8. Now taking the LCM of whole, so it must be 4, then 49 plus 4y square minus 28y minus 16y square equals to 8. So this must be 49 plus 4y square minus 28y minus 16y square equals to 32. So this must be minus 12y square minus 28y, and then 49 minus 32, this must be minus 7 plus 17, sorry, plus 17 equals to 0. Taking minus common, so it must be 12y square plus 28y minus 17 equals to 0. Now doing midterm breaking, 12y square plus 28y minus 17 equals to 0. So in this case, it must be 12y square. Now, how to do it? Plus 34 is there any factor regarding 28? So how to find the factor of 28? So it must be 34y minus 6y minus 17 equals to 0. Taking common, in this case, the common is 2y. So it must be 6y plus 17, and then minus 1, so it must be 6y plus 17 equals to 0. So this must be 2y minus 1 and 6y plus 17 are the factors. So 2y minus 1 equals to 0. So 2y equals to 1 and y equals to 1 by 2. Now the second is 6y plus 17 equals to 0. So 6y equals to minus 17 and y equals to minus 17 by 6. So putting the value of y in an equation, I am putting this value in equation, this is my equation 1. So this must be when y equals to 1 by 2. When y equals to 1 by 2, so 2x plus 2 into y value is 1 by 2 equals to 7. 2 into cancel out. 2x plus 1 equals to 7. So 2x equals to 6. X equals to, then x equals to 3. Okay. And in second equation, putting the value of y equals to minus 17 by 6. So it's 2x plus 2 into minus 17 by 6 equals to 7. This must be 3. So 2x minus 17 by 3 equals to 7. Not taking whole LCM 3. So 6x minus 17 equals to 7. So 6x minus 17 equals to 21. Now 6x equals to 21 plus 17. So 6x equals to, 6x must be, I am writing here, 6x equals to 38 and x equals to 38 by 6. This must be 19 and 3. So when x equals to minus 17 by 6, y, so x equals to 16 by 3 and y equals to 1 by 2. So x equals to 3. So the coordinates are 3 comma half, and second one is 19 by 3 into minus 17 by 6. So these are the two values of intersection. Hope you understand each and every point. This is the end of the lecture. So we'll meet in the next lecture.